it looks nice, man. Wow. What year is this one?
17.
Wow. V10.
It's a PSA, two all my niggas make a G a day, M-O-B-O DNA,
M-O-B-O DNA.
Shots out my nigga, they say we working. Shots out that bad bitch, I see her twerking. Walk up in the go house, looking at these hoes while they walk on them posts. God know they toes out, looking at me, cause I'm young nigga, 21.
So, how does this compare to a stock GTR? Okay.
It's a different feel car. It's nice. I like it.
Yeah.
Sharp.
I heard the gearboxes are way more advanced, or?
It's nice, man. This shit's nice. You
Wow.
get the gears and it's like right there, you know?
Yeah. Wow, beautiful car. What do these make to the crate? 602? Wow.
It's a V10 Plus.
Oh, the V10 Plus. Okay, not the regular V10, guys. V10 Plus. This thing is beautiful. Look at these wheels. These wheels are nice. Oh, man.
Just picked it up today.
Look at this thing.
M-O-B-O DNA.
Wow. Look at the interior. The interior is just. Oh,
I seen the price.
it smells brand new, guys. Brand new. This is a beautiful car.
You don't find them at that price no more.
R8 V10 Plus. White.
I got this one on Rocky Hill on Facebook from this dude that find from Rocky Hill, right? He didn't even tell me this.
You guys are familiar with Connecticut? Mike and Tony's.
No, right? Yeah, no, you're right. That's good.
That sounds good. Is that's stock? Oh my gosh. That is nasty. Oh man. That is This thing is nasty. This is nice. I like them better than the Huracans, really.
I gotta wait a couple of water. This car for you. Look what they doing out there.
You get it front.
Nice line up of cars. Front of the building. Front house.
Yeah. Okay. Mike and Tony's AutoSales. Mike and Tony's in South Windsor. Got a bunch of nice cars out here. If you're into cars, look at that. STIs, 370Zs, Mustangs, Vettes. Another nice Z06 with the red interior. Got the bloody guts in here. Oh, I'm a sucker for that. The bloody guts. You guys can see. Porsches, Type R, a lot of nice cars. Iconic Civic Type R, underrated. Got the bloody guts in here too. Very nice car. Oh man. Porsches. My favorite, the C6 Z06. Oh man, these things. We're gonna do a video with the C6 Z06 Supercharged, so stay tuned. Subscribe, hit that notification button for me so you'll keep up to date with all the videos. A lot of good car videos. If you like cars, you're gonna like this. Wow. Tons of cars out here.
I'm never going to drive though because it's not comfortable for me. I'm too tall. I don't like it's
Tony line 1.
C6 and C5 got more space for your legs. This is more kind of tighter, but I'm going to keep it.
We're gonna go up to the turnpike. I haven't been up here in years. So
Oh yeah.
hang out tonight.
Yeah. Man, I want to go, but I have to work at 10 tonight. And I was,
Sucks for you.
yeah. I was just there last weekend.
Honestly, it must have been, it got to be at least 4 or 5 years.
Wow.
Take a ride
I'm
up
going
there.
for a ride tonight.
Yeah, there's a few cars up there. Nice cars now. A few
I
fast
came
ones.
across a bridge last Sunday with a black one recording. I got up to $165 and 50. I got a video and had more to go.
Wow, stock?
Yeah.
These
Wow.
things
The automatic is shit.
automatic is no joke. Yeah, you can't mess with automatic.
Automatic
This is so
C7
much fun in the
Z06.
stick. That's a
Oh.
Why car, Jason?
Hold on to it.
Fast car, man.
When you turn it on track, how the exhaust open up.
Hello? You can catch the bus and I'll meet you on Main Street.
Is that the Trackhawk? Oh, man. Oh. Yo, these Trackhawks get it in, yo. Oh, this is a SRT. But these things are still fast, man.
Tony line 3. Tony line 3.
Yo, I follow a few people with a Trackhawk. It get it in. It's not like the Hellcats where you have the traction. So you got traction with all that power, all that weight works with it. Those things run. This is nice, yo. What you thinking about one? I'll pull a trailer. This got a 6.4 in it, right? Or something.
Something like that.
For all my Mopar guys. These things are no joke. Got the hood cowls. Got herself a C5.
On the grass,
Yeah.
people show.
They put snow tires on here?
And this is just a 1LT, you know. This is the base.
No way.
Oh, this is a nice car, man.
These cars
nice.
don't like, yo, I'll never forget. I seen one at Southern last year and I should have bought it if I knew something.
Nice interior. Rear footage here. Look at this. Nice old school Ford. Wow. This is nice. I'm a sucker for blue cars.
Mold swap. I got a big block. 2.5 liter.
Look at this. Wow. So what motor is this?
This is a Ford Z-Tech, like a Ford Focus.
Okay.
We did the old mixed throttle bodies, the header, old mixed computer inlet management system, 5-speed T9 transmission.
Wow.
About 170 horses.
Yes.
But it don't weigh shit.
Yes.
So it goes pretty good.
Very lightweight car.
And we have the Cortina back here.
Very rare car.
I Iconic
You-
rally car.
Very iconic. Look at this. Escort.
Money over everything, everything.
Yeah. Ooh, Ford Cortina. One of my favorites. Look at this thing. This is super nice. Well put together. See the interior.
Ford racing gauges and all that.
We got the Ford racing gauges. Very well done. Has a roll cage in there. Cargo seats. Let's see, under the hood. Wow, them headers are.
Ford Fusion 2.5 Duratec.
You heard him.
Gen V throttle bodies, Emerald ECU, Mazda Miata 6-speed close ratio gearbox,
Wow.
limited slip, Willwood brakes,
This is a very clean setup.
makes 245 to the wheels.
245. No way. What kind of compression is that?
It's up there.
Oh, wow.
At least 12 and a half to 1.
Wow.
Now we're building another
car
one.
with power. That's a dangerous
Willwood
combo.
brakes up front, go down to the wheels.
Yep.
Yep.
Willwoods. Wow. Very rare car. You don't see these in the state. Very nice car. Ford Cortina. And this thing handles.
Yo, those things.
I've had it for years.
I know. I remember what you got. That's the truth.
So how does that thing handle? Like you
Very well.
throw it in corners?
Ask Merzette.
Wow.
I beat up on that C63 AMG. Ask Merzette.
Beat up on an AMG C63. Modded too.
I got full coilover suspension.
Yeah.
The car got, it's done right.
Yep. Very beautiful.
Now I need you to do the brakes. I want the brakes that's on the Cortina. I want to lower the car. I want different wheels. And I'm dropping off another Escort and doing it.
Wow. That's awesome.
Old school stuff, you don't lose the value like the new stuff, you know?
Definitely. Mike and Tony's, they do
This one may do well.
old school restorations, old school restorations in performance. Very clean. It's a very nice car.
Cars. 2013's like 30,000 miles. You know what I paid for them trips? $100.
Because they don't go back.
Very nice car.
I see it.
So what model is this?
That's a
BMW?
2002 71.
2002 71. Very clean.
Full leather interior, leather headliner. It's all done up right.
All done.
Board, twin level carburetors.
This thing is spotless. Pictures do not do it justice.
Yeah, that's my,
This has been
I know. I've been
years
chilling.
of hard work.
I already started laying back chilling.
This is a nice place. Tons of cars if you're looking for a car.
No sirens, no.
Mike and Tony's. Whose Mustang is that? Oh, I always like those Mustang. I always love that body. Notchbacks.
93.
Yeah,
That's a nice car. Man.
yeah. Black too.
I'm gonna put supercharger back on it, but that car, everybody wants that car.
Yeah. Oh,
The convertible, we're doing a Coyote swap to it.
no way.
Right, we got the motor, everything.
Wow.
Just gotta wait for a couple more pieces.
I've been hard back in a year. I've been into like
Man. Got some Stangs over here.
that's the way to go.
Yo, I love these, man. I wanted one. Black or white. Those are two colors I like. Let's see.
We gotta
So
forward
come
that
see
one
Mike
to
and
me.
Tony's.
Yeah.
If you're looking for a vehicle, they got fast ones, whatever, normal cars, any type
Work
of vehicles,
vans,
trucks, everything, anything. Old schools,
Yeah.
anything you're looking
We
for.
don't got it, we don't find it.
Yep,
That's right.
exactly.
That's right.
Mike and Tony's, South Windsor, Connecticut. Yep. Very good service too. Clean shop. You guys can see it.
Bitch popping on my D. Walk around, I'm so icy, I can ski like I'm on the Ave. Speaking out the lingo, living by what I was told. Follow the G code. Money over
Subscribe to Spumatic Carz. Like, comment, share, and click that notification button for me. I need
MOB going where it rain.
Yeah, this is a PS.